So here we are at Disney's Old Key West, and we are in building 19. And we are going to go into our one bedroom at Disney's Old Key West. And Old Key West was the original Disney Vacation Club.
Welcome to Nancy and Dan Travel. I am Nancy. When it comes to travel, Dan and I focus on relaxing and memorable vacations for adults and multi-generational families. We publish weekly videos mainly showcasing adult vacations to Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and cruising. As you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us on our relaxing travel adventures.
We're staying in a one bedroom. It is unit 1914. Let's take a look. Do the room tour. And because it was Disney's first vacation club resort, the rooms, one of the key selling features is the rooms are the largest on property. So, immediately to your left, closed closet. Continue on, mirror to the right, and a shelf for keys for the rental car, so on. Bedroom, washroom, and laundry is over to the right. Let's continue. This door is not a closet, it's a door that's a lock off. So on the other side is going to be the studio unit, so these combine into a two bedroom. So here's the unit, again, very spacious. You see we have two love seats, one pulls out as a bed for two. Chair there. Cushy chair, I might add. Sorry chair, I didn't want to hurt your feelings. Got a wonderful view. Some views have just lake. Other views are on the golf course. So we'll go outside. Towards the end, you can see there's a lake in the distance. And in the ground floor, have a nice lanai. Alright, so back to the kitchen. Cupboard space, ice bucket, storage. Huge widescreen TV. So it has a very nice table for meals. I actually prefer this table to the one bedroom at Saratoga Springs. That was in last night, and you'll see the review on that. It hasn't already dropped. Huge TV, the standard Powell family. Well, when you stay here, you won't get the Powell family, but I got the Powell family. And again, when you stay here, you will not get the free Disney Cruise Line water bottle. That's my water bottle. Can't have it. On the other side, shelves, storage. There's my, Disney Vacation Club sling bag. Two outlets for charging, recharging your devices. The kitchen itself is very nice. Nice cupboards. Double sinks, coffee maker, of course, Joffrey's toaster, new looking microwave, new looking oven and cooktop, new looking refrigerator, and finishing the appliances, new looking dishwasher. Again, real glasses, not paper, real coffee mugs, yay! Real plates, and again the inventory of what's here. And if you like to cook, Disney's got you covered. In the one bedroom. For storage. And storage capacity to put away your groceries. Yes, cutlery. Pots, more pans for cooking. So you're all set to go. refrigerator. Again, different from the new refrigerator at Saratoga Springs, 1 bedroom. Again, you can look for our review of that. The Saratoga Springs refrigerator is new, but it had the old-fashioned manual ice cube trays. This one has the automated ice machine. Get that going. Actually, you know what? Again, Whirlpool. And yes, those are mine. You can't have those. Alright, so very spacious. Very spacious. A little bit more room than Saratoga Springs. Let's go look at the bedroom. Again, this is a 1-bedroom unit. Washer and dryer before we get to the bedroom. Laundry soap, yes, that will be used later on today. And actually, very nice wall hanging here, the Florida Keys map. And again, Old Key West is fashioned after homes and architecture of Florida's Old Key West. So here's the 1-bedroom bathroom. Got a Whirlpool tub with the step up. Single sink in the vanity. Large mirror. I like the lighting around the back of the mirror. That's a nice touch. Oh yes. One of the cute pictures. We've seen this before in other DVC units. I like that picture. It's very cute. Second closed closet. And then a split bathroom, Disney style. Unlike the Saratoga Spring remodeled 1-bedroom that has a separate room for the toilet itself. So in effect, it's 3 rooms there with a bathroom. Here, it's 2 rooms, soaker tub, sink, room 1, and then toilet, shower, and a second sink in the second bathroom. Again, the Disney products. And again, if you go to our review of the Saratoga Springs 1-bedroom, you'll see it is the same stained glass around the shower in both units. Again, very nice, very spacious. And then to the master bedroom, the only bedroom, so I'll call it the master bedroom. Nice sitting chair. Again, you can move those to the side if you want see-through. Bathroom. Has one of my pet peeves when rooms only have the night table on one side. Usually it's Nancy's side of the bed. So here, both sides have nightstand. Now, unlike the Saratoga Springs 1-bedroom, there are not nearly as many electrical outlets here in the Old Key West. There's one there, it's got one opening left. And again, drawers, night table. Here's the TV. Now here's where we have electrical outlets. But you know what? So did Saratoga Springs. But they also had it at the bedside. Smaller TV in the master bedroom here than at Saratoga Springs. And then this is very nice. You've got the walkway right from the bedroom outside to the lanai. Really good sized lanai. Much larger than, I'll say, if not all of the other, I'll say at least most of the other 1-bedroom lanai. Again, even though we're on the ground floor, it's not open, it's got the fence around it. And yes, there's a nice pond with a fountain. Very nice. Go back inside. view right to lush vegetation. Okay, so 1-bedroom villa at Disney's Old Key West. One last look. Well, hope it helps you out. Thanks for watching.
Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.